How to link your partner on Flow app. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to link your partner on Flow app. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch Flow app on your device. Once it opens, make sure to log in or sign in to your particular account. Tap Partner at bottom right corner of the screen. Once the page loads, tap Link Your Partner button at bottom of the screen. Here you have got your share peering code. Tap on the Send Peering Code button, and here are the few steps you can help to link your partner on Flow app. So you have to invite your partner through different kinds of social media platforms. Suppose you can tap on WhatsApp and send this peering invitation to your partner. After that, they must tap on that link and open the application. After that, you will use this code to peer your profiles. Then you can both use Flow for the partners. So it's quite easy and simple. So in this way, we can link our partner on Flow app and we both can use the Flow for partners. So I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.